Okay, I apologize for the break in the video, and let's proceed. All right, number 5. The rule for a pattern is multiply by 10. Write the next 3 numbers in the pattern. So if the rule is multiply by 10 and we're starting with a 7, if we multiply 7 times 10, we're going to get 70. If we multiply 70 times 10, well, boys and girls, remember, just do 1 times 70, which is 70, and then add your 0, okay? Now, same thing. If we're going to multiply that times 10, we should be at 7,000. And boys and girls, this goes all the way back to the very beginning of the year when we did that. Each time you move the number pattern to the right, it's 10 times greater. Remember that? And if we were moving it to the left, it would be 1/10 of. 1/10 of. Remember that? Jumping forward, jumping right, left and right. All right, look at the pattern below. 45, 39, 33, 27, 21, 15. What is the rule for the pattern? Well, I don't know about you guys, but when I see this is when I start to notice, these are multiples of 3, but they're going backwards. Oh, if I go forward, I think that's the case too. So like this one, this first one is 3 times 5. This is 3 times, 7. This is 3 times 9. This is 3 times 11. This is 3 times 13. And this is 3 times 15. So it is multiples of 3, but look what they're doing. They are skipping one in between. So they skipped 3 times 6. They skipped 3 times 8. So what we have is multiples of 3. So what would the next one be? Wait, let me use my highlighter, my trusty highlighter here. What would the next one be? The next one would not be, see, we went 9, 7, 5. So the next one would be 3. If we went down again, the next one would be 1. So what we're actually doing is we're doing 3 times 3 and 3 times 1. And we skipped 3 times 4 and 3 times 2. So 3 times 3 would be 9 and 3 times 1 would be 3. So let's check and see if that works. Let's go back through our pattern here and see if that works. 3 times 1 is 3. Skip 2. 3 times 3 is 9. Skip 4. 3 times 5 is 15. Skip 6. 3 times 7 is 21. Skip 8. 3 times 9 is 24. Skip 10. 3 times 11 is 33. So, what is our rule? Are we adding? We're doing multiples of 3, but is there something else that we can see that we're doing? How do you get from 3 to 9 other than multiply? Add 6. What about this? Add 6. What about this? Add 6. Add 6. Whoa, 2 different patterns for the same rule. So what we are doing is we are adding 6. Well, actually, no, I take that back. We are not adding 6. We are subtracting 6. We had to do adding to work backwards. So in other words, we're subtracting 6. But we also noticed they're multiples of 3, but skip 1 in the middle. Cool. If the pattern continues, what would be the next number? And we identified that already. The next number would be 9. Okay. All right, so let's move on. Won't keep you too long. Let's go into the instruction page. 198. Exploring numerical patterns, because we did this one last week. So, in level 1 of a game, you earn 2 points for each correct answer. In level 2, you earn 6 points for each correct answer. Compare the number of points in level 2 to the number of points in level 1. If you correctly answer, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 questions. So let's take a look. Level 1, you're adding 2 each time. So plus 2, you're earning 2 points each time. So that's your pattern of points that you would earn each time you got a correct one. And then level 2, those points are 6 points, 6 points, 6 points. Okay? What I noticed, let's see. Write ordered pairs for those. So if your points in level 1 are 4 and your points in level 2 are 12, then your coordinates are 4, 12. Look, easy enough. 6, 18. So the next level, you'd get, if you got the next amount of questions right, you get 8 points for level 1, but 24 points for level 2. 10 points for level 1, 30 points for level 2. 12 points for level 1, 36 points for level 2. So the total number of points in level 1 increases by 2. See, they go up by 2 each time. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. The total number of points in level 2 goes up by 6 each time. Okay? Simple enough, right? Look at the picture it on the previous page. That would be our number line up there. Okay? Let me shrink this down so we can see both at the same time. Describe how the total number of points changes with each correct answer in level 1 and level 2. So in level 1, the rule is they add 2 points. In level 2, they add 6 points. Okay? Complete the table on the previous page, which we did. That was in our Model It. Okay? For each ordered pair, how does the second number compare to the first number? So let's look. So in these ordered pairs right here, how does the second number compare to the first number? Let's see. 4 to 12. How many did we go up? Well, we did 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, that's 1 4. And then 8 plus 4 is 12. That's 2 more 4s. So let's see. If I multiply, let me switch colors here. If I multiply 4 times 3, I get 12. Does that work for the others? 6 times 3, 8 times 3, 10 times 3, 12 times 3. So guess what? If you compare those, the second number compares to the first number. The second number is 3 times bigger than the first number. Okay? Suppose the game has a third level. You get 9 points. Oh, look at that. Up by multiplying by 3 again for each correct answer in the level. Explain how you could figure out how the points in level 3 compare with the corresponding points in level 2. Well, if I go back up here, if they get 9 points in the next one, it would be 0 for level 1, 0 for level 2, 0 for level 3. Then it would be 2 points, 6 points, 9 points. Then it would be 4 points, 12 points, and then what? If we went up another 9, 18 points. 6 points, 18 points, and then, got to go up another plus 9 here. What would that be? 27. Look at what's happening. Times 3. Up by 3. Okay, look. Times 3, you get 12. Or up by 3. Times 3. So look, these are, hold on, let me erase. Oh no! These are multiples of 3. Look, 6, 18. This one will be 4, 12, 2, 6. Level 3 would be 9 points. If you add 9 more points, 18. Add 9 more points, 27. Add 9 more points, 36. Do you notice a pattern with these numbers? 10, 30. Add 9 more points. What do you get? Each level we're adding 9 more points. What do we have happening here? What pattern do you see? What do you think? I'm going to give you some time to think about that. How'd you get from 6 to 18? Times 3. Can you do a times 3 here? No. Are we skipping? Are we doing like multiples that we're skipping? So this is the second multiple of 3. And then the third multiple is 9. The fourth multiple is 12. The sixth multiple of 3 is 18. This is the ninth multiple of 3. Fill in your answer here. So how do they compare? Uh-oh, I'm running low on my battery. How do they compare? Each one goes up by 9. Is it double the previous level? What's our difference between level 2 and level 3? Well, if we look at this one shows easy enough that this is adding 15. Are we adding 15 here? Let's see. It's 24 plus 15. 39. Should this one be 39 right here? Let's see. Is this plus 15? 18 plus 15? What do you think? Not quite, huh? So that's not right. We're not adding 15. Are we multiplying by 3? We thought about that. Nope, that's not it. But there's something that it seems to have in common with those 3's, right? This one right here is 9 times 4. 9 times 3, 9 times 2, 9 times 1. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. So each time they go up a level, they multiply by 9. Remember down here, each time they went up a level, they multiply by 6. I'm going to write that down. Each time you add a point amount, that gets multiplied by 9. The number of points correct, I should say. Okay. All right, for time purposes, we're going to wrap this video up. We're going to skip the try it today. We're going to stop where we're at because I know I've been taking a lot of your time on this video, on these videos today, and I want to give you time to work on the problem. I'm trying to keep your lessons a little shorter, and my battery is running low. So all I'm going to have you guys do today, and we'll jump back over to a little bit of this if we have time. All I'm going to have you guys do today is page 215 and 216, and this is where we're going to wrap up analyzing these patterns. Okay, so your activity for me today is 215 and 216, and this is where we're going to stop on analyzing patterns. I'm going to jump over to volume next week, so we're going to be skipping some lessons. So if you need anything, you know how to find me.